Hey my beautiful butterflies, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I just want to make sure that everybody subscribes, they like this video, and they share it with everybody in your family. Please and thank you. Today we're going to start with our eyebrows already done. Next we're going to go in with the Morphe Eyelid Primer. I like to make sure that my primer is dry before I go any further or apply any eyeshadow. We're going to go in with the Morphe Fierce by Nature palette to start off this look. We're going to go in with Consume. And you basically want to put this in the inner corner or cut crease area, and you want to blend your life away. Going back in with that same shade, Consume, just to pick up some more product, guys. So now that color is finally built up to where I like it at, we're going to go in with Stamina. That's the bottom right hand corner color, okay guys? And you basically want to put this on the outer area of your eyelid and just blend it out, okay guys? Also drag whatever color is left on over to the inner portion of your eye, but not a lot. Just keep blending and building up that color. Next we're going to go in with In Command. It's like a burgundy color shade, and we're going to do a third of our eyelid on this one as well. Just kind of put it in the center. Next we're going to go in with Frenzy, the top third shade, and we're going to spray some setting spray because I just want it just a little bit brighter than normal, and we're just basically going to pack that in on the inner corner of our eye. So I basically got that eyelid where I want it to be at, so I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. So this is both eyes completed, and this is the look so far. Of course, we're going to go in with our Pond's moisturizer first. My skin's been really dry lately, so I really tried to pack it on today. Next, we're going to go in with our e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and we're going to apply that on those very huge pores that we have. You want to make sure that you push that product into your skin so that way it's set. And I'm going to cover up my little friend just because I don't want her showing for today. So of course we're using that famous Amos TikTok hack, and we're going to go in with some setting powder to cover up those pores even more. Foundation is the Maybelline Dewy Skin, and I'm in the color 332. So I ran through the foundation part just because everyone has their own technique and their own way of doing their foundation. Now we're going to go in with the 16-hour e.l.f. Camo Concealer. We're going to blend all of this out. And I like to drag my concealer all the way up just so that way it can contour and make my face look lifted. So I went in with the Airspun translucent powder and just basically set my under eyes and my forehead and my chin. My daughter must have been distracting me, or somebody must have been distracting me to have forgotten to blend out my concealer and then apply the translucent powder. So yeah, I do apologize. Next, I'm going to go in with LA Girl Pro Concealer to chisel out my cheeks and also conceal my forehead some more. And then I'm also going to go in with the pencil for my nose, so to give me that snatched nose. Then we're just going to buff everything out and blend it out smoothly, nicely. Then I like to bake the bottom of my chin area so that way I can get that nice defined line underneath my contour. Then taking your biggest kabuki brush, you want to basically dust off all of that excess powder. Make sure you wipe it all off, okay, because you'll have flashback if not. Next, we're going to go with the LA Pro Girl Pressed Powder in the color Toffee to set that concealer. Now we're going to finally take off that translucent powder that we left baking on our lower chin and also our under eyes. Time to blend out that nose contour. Make sure you blend all the way up to your eyebrow. First things first, we're going to curl our eyelashes. Then grab your favorite mascara and apply it to your lashes. Now I haven't been having the best of luck with eyelashes, so that was the reason for the face. Let's hope and pray that they will stick and be good to me. And it looks like today's gonna be a good eyelash day. Is it just me, or whenever you get one eyelash on you feel like a totally brand new person, or no? Okay, maybe it's just me. Don't mind my manager at the bottom right hand corner, you know, she just likes to make sure that I'm working and not playing around, I guess. Now we are going to take that color Consume and we are going to apply that to our bottom lash. Don't forget mascara on them bottom lashes. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe with your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, your cousin, your aunt, your uncle, grandma, grandpa, everybody in the family, the whole neighborhood. Thank you so much. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Thank you, my beautiful butterflies. Just wanted to give you all a close-up on the eye makeup look, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I always like to turn off my actual light and just have on my ring light so that way y'all can see how the eye look and makeup looks with just that ring light. Thank you, my beautiful butterflies, once again. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share,